Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a Yak 54 from HobbyKing. It's a small little thing, and second flight. Whoa. Whoa.
You don't have any power, Rod. No power.
Whoa.
Full power. Full power? But it's easier to control now.
Mind your way, my bad.
Yeah, down in front.
Oh yeah, just charge that battery.
It's fast when you point it at the ground, though.
Yeah.
Speed for sure.
Yeah.
So if it slows down, man, just point it down.
Gravity. Gravity works. Gravity sucks.
It's probably that weight from the magnet that's keeping it. Yeah.
It's funny, when it flies north, it flies fast. It's big.
Which way is north?
I don't know. Whichever way it's pointing. There it is. That's north. No, that's north. No, that's north.
So this is
Whichever way it goes faster.
you barely get off the ground.
Alright, touch and go.
Is that the prop it came with, or you just...
Yo, that is the stock prop.
Is it?
I broke one already.
Those triple props are known not to be very torquey.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, they gave it to you so it
Whoa.
wasn't on the wall. Damn. I lost control. Got out of control.
Alright guys, thanks for the first crash of the day. Bud Key West. Cut. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take two with a prop that's
Matching prop.
matching prop, 9.6 prop. So far, so good.
The rudder's not connected, dude.
That sand spur.
Oh, the rudder's off.
Oh, it's out.
Oh wow. Wow. That would have been cool. Alright.
Sorry.
And
Let's adjourn.
we'll pause for now. Gentlemen, take 3 new props. Got rid of the tri-prop. Fixed the rudder.
You can see the power difference right away.
A little more power, but this is full power. Okay, well, you may only be able to fix that with
That thing's so small, you can't let it get away from
it. It is easier to fly.
Yeah.
Got some pretty good.
I hear a lot of trimming. Somebody sounds like they got their car door open.
Yeah, right.
Bucky West!
At YouTube! Whoa. Whoa.
Hit by a gust there. Did you get a finger banner?
No.
A bed sheet?
I see somebody put a smoke generator on it and go up there and write Bud Key West.
Ed used to have that. Remember?
Oh yeah, out of Boggy Creek.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh, man!
It's down.
Landing!
Nice.
Oh, look at that hatch. It's
Yeah, look at the canopy. Hey, second crash of the day. Thanks, guys. And cut.